How to close your laptop without turning it off or putting it to sleep. Here's how. First, search for Edit Power Plan in the Windows search bar and open it. Next, set Put the computer to sleep to Never for both on battery and plugged in. Then click Save Changes. Now, from the left side, select Choose what closing the lid does. Next to When I close the lid, choose Do Nothing for both on battery and plugged in. Then click Save Changes. Finally, search for Change Screensaver in the Windows search bar and open it. Make sure the screensaver is set to None, then click Apply and OK. That's it! You can now close your laptop lid while keeping your computer running, which is perfect if you're using an external monitor. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more quick and easy Windows tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.